Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best battery desulfators on Amazon. We've all had an old car battery fail us, sitting there unable to be revived with a recharge. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Noco GENIUS 5 Fully Automatic Battery Charger. If you're searching for quality, capability, and an affordable price, the Noco GENIUS 5 Fully Automatic Battery Charger, Maintainer, and Desulfator is a great product. It resurrects batteries you thought were useless, including 6 and 12-volt lead-acid batteries, marine, automotive, and deep-cycle batteries. This desulfator automatically determines a battery's sulfation to maintain batteries properly, and in addition to being a desulfator, it's also a battery charger that recharges batteries as low as 1 volt or even 0 volts using the force mode feature. Plus, it offers extra perks and features too, including a thermal sensor that senses ambient temperature and adjusts the charge so you don't overcharge in hot climates and undercharge in cold ones. What we like about it: suitable for a wide range of different batteries and vehicles. Automatically adapts based on ambient temperature. Can bring batteries back from 0 to 1 volts. What we don't like about it: in some instances, batteries don't get a full charge. Repair mode can be finicky. Number 2. Schumacher 100 amp 30 amp. The Schumacher SC1281 is a fantastic option for those who want the most from a single tool. This single unit functions as a battery charger, battery maintainer, a desulfator, and a jump starter. It can also run diagnostics on your battery, easily making it one of the most comprehensive tools for the money. No, it's not all that expensive and can even qualify as a runner-up for the place of best value. And because it's a Schumacher, you can count on the quality being well above much of the competition. The biggest issue you'll run into with this unit is the size. The high versatility does require a larger footprint than many options on the market. What we like about it: highly versatile, can jump start, charge, and run diagnostics on battery. Affordable price. Quality is superior to many other options. What we don't like about it: larger than most. Flimsy clamps. Number 3. Chlor Automotive Maintainer and Desulfator. The Chlor Automotive Battery Charger, Maintainer, and Desulfator will take the hard work of worrying about your car's battery off your hands with a fully automated process. This single device is a desulfator, a charger, and a maintainer all in one, and it handles each of these jobs with little to no input from you. Able to work with both 6 and 12-volt batteries, you'll enjoy fully automatic operation whether you're charging, maintaining, or reconditioning your battery. It offers versatile 210-20 amp charge rates, as well as multiple modes, including soft start mode for severely depleted batteries and recondition mode for distressed batteries in need of rejuvenation. What we like about it: fully automatic operation with adjustments for temperature, safety, and efficiency. Works with flooded AM, gel cell, spiral wound, marine, and deep cycle batteries. Can improve even distressed or severely depleted batteries. What we don't like about it: included cables are quite short. Manual can be a bit confusing and fails to provide enough information. Number 4. Schumacher Fully Automatic Battery Charger. If you're looking for a seriously smart battery desulfator, you've got to take a look at the Schumacher Fully Automatic Battery Charger, Maintainer, and Auto Desulfator. Capable of delivering a 15 amp charge and 3 amp maintenance power, it's compatible with standard AM and deep cycle batteries, and it's fully automatic, offering smart charging that's controlled by a microprocessor that automatically adjusts the amperage and multi-stage charging for the highest level of precision. This battery desulfator will even automatically detect 6-volt and 12-volt batteries. What we like about it: charges, maintains, and removes sulfites automatically. Easy to see and control battery status on the digital display. Automatically adjusts based on battery needs for safety and precision. What we don't like about it: after years of use, problems may occur. Some automatic functions may not be super precise. Can be a delay when showing battery capacity. Number 5. Battery Minder. The Batterminder Model 2012 uses a patented process that safely removes sulfation and reconditions the battery through high-frequency pulses to desulfate batteries, not high voltage. This unit can desulfate up to 6 batteries together when configured in parallel. It's great for winterizing vehicles of all varieties and has an ambient temperature sensor that adjusts voltage based on the temperature in and around the battery. What we like about it: works with cars and other vehicles. Reliable for years of use. Can maintain and desulfate multiple batteries at once. What we don't like about it: doesn't work quickly and takes some time to complete its processes. Connecting multiple batteries does require Y cords, which aren't included. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.